mamas, birth is such an important thing to prepare for, and I truly believe it shapes the way women step into motherhood. But preparation for motherhood doesn't stop with birth alone. One of the biggest changes first-time mamas face is breastfeeding. And with those changes often come challenges both for mama and baby. One of the most common obstacles, baby's latch. That's why, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process to help you achieve a great latch and set yourself up for a wonderful breastfeeding experience. If you've been searching for tips and tools to feel empowered in birth and motherhood, I'm so glad you found your way here. You're in the right place. So mama, if you're watching this, you're probably either pregnant and wanting to prepare yourself for breastfeeding, or maybe you've already started your journey but are running into discouragement, discomfort, or frustration because it's not getting any easier. If that sounds like you, I want you to know I'm so glad you're here. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and helpful tools that will give you the courage and confidence to keep going on your breastfeeding journey. So let's dive in. Let's begin with the basics and a little positivity. The clearest sign of a good latch is that you're not experiencing pain throughout your nursing session. Now, if you're a first-time mom just starting out, you may feel some discomfort right at the beginning. That's normal. But with a good latch, that discomfort should fade quickly and not last the entire session. Another sign is that your baby is able to empty your breast well. In the beginning, your breasts may feel full and firm as your milk comes in. But as your baby feeds, you'll notice them soften or deflate. That's a great sign that your baby is stimulating milk flow effectively and transferring it with ease. And finally, if your baby is steadily gaining weight and wetting plenty of diapers, that's one of the best indicators that they're getting enough milk and that their latch is working just right. Now let's talk about what a poor latch might look like. One of the biggest red flags is sore nipples that continue throughout the entire nursing session. With a good latch, you might feel some initial discomfort, but prolonged pain usually means something isn't quite right. Other signs of a poor latch include sore, cracked, or bleeding nipples. This usually means baby isn't latched deeply enough and is tugging or sucking on the nipple instead of the areola. A lipstick-shaped nipple after unlatching. This happens when baby pulls on the nipple at an angle rather than latching deeply. Nipple discoloration, often turning white after a feed. This is called vasospasm. It happens when baby's latch cuts off circulation and can cause stinging or burning discomfort after nursing. Clicking sounds during feeding. This indicates that suction is breaking frequently, which usually means the latch isn't secure. When these poor latch issues happen, baby often comes off the breast fussy and unsatisfied, simply because they weren't able to empty the breast effectively. So, how do you actually get a good latch? Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Feed at the right time. The best time is during what's called the quiet alert stage. Signs of this include steady eye contact, gentle head bobs, licking lips, rooting for the breast, or trying to suck on their hands. Feeding early, when baby is calm and showing these cues, makes latching much easier. If you wait until they're upset and crying, they'll be too distressed to latch well. And sometimes, you'll need to wake your baby to feed even if they're not giving you cues yet. Don't worry, I'll share some simple tips for waking baby a little later. Step 2. Choose a position. Here are some common breastfeeding positions to try. Cradle hold. Baby's head rests in the crook of your arm, aligned at breast height. Cross cradle hold. You support baby's head with one hand from behind, giving your other hand the freedom to guide their latch. Football hold. Baby is tucked under your arm at your side. This is especially useful if you've had a C-section or if you need more control over baby's positioning in the beginning. Experiment with these 3 positions to see what feels best for both you and your baby. Later, as you both become more comfortable, you can explore other positions like lying down for side-lying feeds. Step 3. Relax your body. Take a moment to check in with yourself. Keep your shoulders relaxed and use pillows to support your arms so you don't strain your neck or back. Comfort for you matters too, mama. Step 4. Align baby. Proper alignment makes all the difference. Baby's tummy should face your tummy. Baby's nose should line up with your nipple. Baby's ear, shoulder, and hip should form a straight line. And remember, bring baby to the breast, not the breast to baby. Step 5. Encourage a wide open mouth. If baby is sleepy, gently stimulate the philtrum, the little space between the nose and upper lip, to encourage a wide open mouth. When you see that wide gape, quickly bring baby to your breast so they can latch deeply. If their mouth isn't open enough, try shaping your breast into a gentle C or hamburger hold so more breast tissue can fit inside. Aim your nipple toward baby's top lip so it naturally rolls into their mouth as they close. Step 6. Check the latch. Here are the signs to look for. Baby's lips should be flanged outward, like little fish lips. Their chin should be pressed into your breast. Their nose should be free and clear for breathing. If the latch doesn't feel right, don't pull baby off suddenly. Instead, gently break the suction by sliding your finger into the corner of their mouth, and then try again. It may take a few attempts, but mama, it's absolutely worth it. If you feel pain even with what seems like a good latch, give it 30 to 60 seconds. Sometimes, especially in the beginning, it's just initial irritation while your body adjusts. But if the pain doesn't go away, unlatch, break the suction, and start over. Mama, I hope walking you through this step-by-step process for getting a good latch has been helpful. Thank you for being here with me in this video. Bye, mamas.